In the Yakthung Limbu community, according to Mundhum traditional scripture, Silam Sakma is used to prevent misfortune or death and to invoke peace in a person's life. During rituals marking both joy and sorrow, a small bamboo piece is crafted and woven with 9-strand white thread into tassels, and it is an essential item in the Tangsing ritual. Since ancient times, within Yakthung communities, nature-based traditions, Yewa Sambas, the ritual priests have used Silam Sakma as a symbol of truth and peace in an individual's life. The same Silam Sakma has recently gained significant attention after members of the House of Representatives wore it during their oath-taking ceremony. In recent times, as professional artisans have started weaving it with colorful threads and its use has become common in various events, people have expressed joy that lawmakers wearing it has promoted cultural harmony and social unity.
यो साम्बाहरुको चाहिँ 9 वटा साम्बाहरुलाई चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ एकमुष्ट बनाएर चाहिँ मृत्युको बाटो बन्द गर्ने र बाँच्ने र दीर्घ आयुको कामना गर्दै त्यसको चाहिँ बाटो खुल्ला राख्नेलाई नै यसमा चाहिँ यो मुन्दुममा गाइन्छन्।
आफ्नो आफ्नो हिसाब किताबले आफ्नो ठाउँमा हुन्छ तर तमसिङ खेदामा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि जसले तमसिङ राख्छ उहाँकोमा एउटा यो सिलाम साकमा भन्ने चाहिँ हामीले झुन्डाउनु पर्छ।
In eastern Nepal, Silam Sakma is widely worn. It is especially common in districts with a dense Yakthung Limbu population where it is used similarly to ceremonial scarves or badges. In recent times, many have even been able to earn a good income by producing and selling Silam Sakma.
Yakthung अर्थात् लिम्बू समुदायले मुन्दुमले व्यवस्था गरे अनुसार पूजाआजा गर्दा आफ्ना शुभ कार्यहरूमा चाहिँ यो प्रयोग गरि आएकोमा अहिले आएर चाहिँ विभिन्न जाति समुदाय विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा काम गर्ने व्यक्तित्वहरू र राजनीतिक क्षेत्रमा काम गर्ने उच्च व्यक्तित्वहरूले सम्मानित व्यक्तित्वहरूले पनि यसलाई प्रयोग गरेको पाइन्छ। यो अवश्य पनि सुखद कार्य हो, अवस्था हो। के अर्थमा भन्दाखेरि हरेक कुराको संस्कृति केवल यो लिम्बूहरूको मात्रै होइन, यो नेपालको हो र विश्वको हो।
Silam Sakma is seen mostly during traditional festivals and programs, and this growing practice has created employment opportunities while contributing to the preservation and promotion of indigenous culture.